So I built this thing called Android Annotations when I wasn't working on Android. I was doing Java backend at the time. And it was just sort of like a side project to sort of like play with things. And it sort of took off. And I was always surprised because I actually never really used it. And what led me to the next big step was that one of the things that had been my goal at the time was I wanted to build a DI tool that would work at compile time. Mostly because I had seen the Java spec for that, the at inject spec that had a little comment at the end saying, "Hey, you could also do this at compile time." And I was like, "Oh, annotation processing, I can do this." I could never do it. I was just not smart enough. I couldn't figure it out. And then Square released Dagger, which was exactly that. So when I saw that, I just posted a little GitHub issue saying, like, "Hey, this is cool. Can you make like a plugin architecture? Because I want to integrate your thing with my thing so that I don't have to deal with DI. You're doing it." And Jesse Wilson, which is a big open source, it's got so much impact in the community, right? He just emailed me and he was like, "Hey, are you interested in joining us?" And that's how I joined Square. And that's basically the story of me joining Square. Is just I filed a GitHub issue and he was like, "Do you want to interview?"
Uh,
And yeah.